Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enhance low light photos on CapCut browser. Again, go to Magic Tools and you are going to select the low light image enhancer one. Then you're going to either upload or use photos here. I'm just going to upload a file and I'm just going to wait for it to generate. So there are 4 intensity of color correction. What's color correction? Sorry. There's level 1, level 2. I think this one's at level 3. There's also level 4. Just take a few minutes to generate. So I might just... Okay, there we go. Thought it's going to take longer. So that's the level 3. That's level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. So maybe just like the level 3 one, and it did enhance it. This is the before. This is the after. Once you're done, just like export. Ta-da! I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!